Assalamu alaikum. I am Umair and welcome to Sam's Education System. Sam's Education System is one of the best IT training center in Sahiwal, where you can learn different type of computer short courses. Our most popular courses are website development, graphic designing, Android application development, C++, WordPress development, digital marketing, AutoCAD, video editing, freelancing. We also do final year projects for students of the university. Get quality education with affordable fee in your city. We also provide internships to our students to enhance and improve their skills for future. So what are you waiting for? Join SAMS now and start making your career in IT field.